2 for 4. No, 2 for 4 has been about it. Oh boy. Here we are. Oh yeah. Yes, sir. I see the green heads, but there's other stuff that's mixed in with those.
Back up.
Back up, Terry.
And then there's snow geese on the other side of the trees out in that field. Those ducks are moving. That's not deep. Hey, my dude's got crap there.
Couple good groups.
I get what you're saying now about there's 8,000 options.
So what?
Hey, y'all laugh? Me and Carter went goose hunting to the Miata one time.
The Miata?
Yes, sir.
Oh my gosh.
Had the shotguns going up the floorboard, up above our heads.
There's a white bag. There's a white bag of gummy bears or gummy worms. It comes in a sack. You can get it like TJ Maxx, and I can't remember the name, but it's like a white bag this big, and it is good. One bull spring pintail in that whole bunch. It was beautiful till you slammed that door and we got stuck. Let me tell you.
Slammed that door.
He was sitting there too, doing this. Remember?
I feel like my slamming in the door got Crowder
That
kind
got
of
me
shook
right.
up.
That got me. I
wasn't thinking straight.
I was becoming one with the pintail sitting on that road, and I was. He was talking to me, and he was telling me, "Should I come to it?" And I'm saying I'm gonna be working you, and then the door slammed. I said, "Well, we're back.
Yeah.
That's it. Ducks are gone.
Hey, them khakis are the best stuff, dude.
They'll wash. It'll all come out in the wash, son. I don't care if I've bought new khakis. I definitely wouldn't care if I was still looking at that pintail.
My bad, boy.
Well, it's been an interesting morning. We had 2 inches of rain come in last night, and wasn't able to get the camera out till just now. We've shot 1 snow goose, and we've seen a lot of birds, but we're just going to try to sit tight, let them work the decoys. We got a bunch of rain last night, so I don't know if that's messing anything up, but we're going to have a good time anyway, so y'all stick with us. This should be a fun day out here in the blind.
Let him have it.
It's dark. I think that's a spec.
Yes, sir.
Let him have it.
It's dark. I think that's a spec.
Yes, sir.
Boom, baby.
He was stunned off of mine and Ben's little speck with some bars on it. Love it. Let's see what they do.
Oh, I see.
It's about midday, 12:30. We've only killed 1 speck and 1 snow goose. We had that big rainstorm come in last night. Sun's out and it's going to get a lot better, we hope, this afternoon. So we're just going to stick it out. We have had a couple birds come in, not really in the decoys, but pretty close where we should have taken those down. But it is what it is. We're having fun and we're going to keep getting after it.
Yeah, talk to Daddy on that, baby. Gotta kill him right there. Boy, they did it right on that last pass.
Alright guys, that's going to be it for the hunt today. We've been here all day and the weather wasn't really that good this morning, but we managed to scratch out a few.
getting them.
Okay, I'm gonna hush for about 5 seconds before you give me little sights and sounds.
Hey, we're in a single pin. Hold up.
Good.
Straight ahead.
Take it. There we go, boys. That's the way we shoot. We got some more geese and ducks on the horizon. Oh, don't move.
Where they at?
Kill them.
Alright guys, we made it back into town last night, doing some unpacking this morning. Just want to look back on the trip. We had some pretty bad weather the first day, a lot of rain the night before, and just pretty gloomy, very high winds. So we did the best we can with the weather we were dealt, but the second day was a little bit better and we only had a half a day to hunt before we headed back home. All in all, a great trip with the guys. You're never gonna beat just the camaraderie. It's always been my favorite part of the hunt. Thank y'all for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and we'll see y'all next time.